typically tackles the pricing. Only after derivatives pricing is covered in the investment management course does the course turn to simple derivatives strategies. The key role of derivatives as means to control risk is not emphasized. Consequently, students joining the profession see derivatives as an exotic area, but because of its reliance on mathematics for derivatives pricing and fail to understand the key role of derivatives as transactionally efficient vehicle for controlling risk. Part of the problem when students transition from school to work is that students rarely understand that institutional portfolios are usually constructed by a team that includes a senior portfolio manager and a group of industry or sector analysts. A portfolio is constructed on the basis of all of the inputs of the team members. When adjusting a portfolio's risk, Fabozzi emphasizes derivatives allow for the adjustment to be done efficiently without having to rebalance the cash positions that were included in the portfolio on the basis of the input from the portfolio team. So that is going to be all for this book today, but we have plenty of other cool things we're going to work on. And again, if you guys want to watch the previous episodes, I made a lot of those on Marco Reviews on YouTube, which has been around for forever. We are going to talk about this other book here, and this is going to be a fun book because it is all about speaking in Italian, but also about mixing drinks that you may know of. So anyway, let's see who's still here. Hi, Adjpurdy7. Thanks for joining us here today. So cool to see. There's also Smooth Caddy Daddy. Thanks for joining us here today on the live stream. This has been such an amazing live stream so far. I'm used to having like one person show up on YouTube because the algorithm just hates my content so much that they're like, we'll never show any of the good stuff. If you guys go check out on my YouTube, you'll find all kinds of stuff. I fly planes, I fly drones, I have remote control boats, remote control cars, trucks, crawlers, RC crawlers, you name it, we do it there. I've done 3D printing. We've tried to create a community here in Irvine, California, Woodbridge, and nearby areas. We've done so many amazing things, and my friend Steve and I, we're about to do even more cool stuff. So anyway, if you guys want to learn a little bit of Italian, stay tuned.